Yo guys, today we're playing Arsenal. It's a new game. I played it a little bit before this video. Let's play into Scan. How about that? And I'll deploy. It lets me. What do I have? Hey. Ooh, this is a new gun. Come here, people. It's like I keep getting snipers. I got so many snipers. I'm not good at this game. Well, that's fine. Where are people? Nope. How am I keep getting killed by like 10,000 people? Alright, let's go. Whoa. Alright. I'm guessing up here. I guess I'm floating. I don't know. How am I getting just killed? Like, I swear, I'm not good at this game, I can tell you that, but like... For anybody, you else just killed me, it's everybody. Wait, how am I getting killed by these people? I'm constantly getting killed. I haven't killed one person. I'm just gonna shoot at everybody. Okay, let's go. Glad you got. I don't have put computer audio off because this is super loud. Oh, Mickey Mouse. Why? Hi. I am not good at this game. Because there's so many people who will probably play this game every single day. And I don't. I played Roblox. But, yeah, I played Fortnite and Roblox a lot. Deploy. Number 3. Alright, let's go. I got a sniper again. Man. And V. I can't believe V. Yeah. Because I pressed right click, but it doesn't work. That was because I pressed V. V is to zoom in with your scope. Not how it is in Fortnite. Found it. Whoa! Oh, I saw a tennis ball. Well, let's go. Oh, crud. Shoot, I forgot V is the stupid darn thing to... And F is to reload? This is not how it is, Fortnite. And I reset my keybinds, but not my reload button or my aim button. The aim button's the same old. Yo, I see you. Yo. I know I shot him. All right, I'm getting better, okay? I'm getting better. But how did they kill me so quickly? I'm not good at this. I need to get better and then start making Arsenal series. Dude, my fingers are moving across this keyboard. The controls on this exact game are so hard. I don't know the controls. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I really don't know the controls. My shoulder keeps lifting because these controls are so weird. Why is V to aim down the scope? I guess I'm just gonna snipe people. Because it's so much... I keep pressing V. Darn it. Come on. Darn it. There we go. Is shift to run? Oh! Did I kill him? I killed somebody. I know it seems like it really shouldn't be that exciting, but I actually killed somebody. That's a start, right? There's so many people. Oh, alright, you know what? I hit him. I'm happy about that. I'm happy. This feels like when Preston plays videos when Brienne is first playing Fortnite. First played Fortnite. That's how I feel. Yo. What's up, my dude? I hit him for 55. Okay? And for 55. If I can get up here, that'd be great. These controls are really weird. I'm trying to get the best of them. Instead of WASD moving, it's SZXC. Yeah, that's really weird. Maybe it's just me, but that's how it is for me. I mean, it's kind of the same, but the keys are moved differently than WASD. So it's kind of weird for me. Shift makes you go faster? Oh, it does. Now I have to press shift and... Oh, gosh. No! Where are people? I want that. Darn it. What? How do I get killed in one shot? Maybe because people have really good guns? I don't know. I don't play this game. Or this Arsenal game, whatever it is. Oh, these controls. These controls, man. Come on. I got this. Sorry, I don't have much content because I'm trying to focus. Okay? So if I'm not talking, don't blame me. But how am I getting killed in one shot? I know nothing about this game. Is somebody behind me? How am I switching between... Oh. What? Come on. Man. I have the least amount of kills right now. Somebody's 32 kills. What's that? How? You kidding me? Oh, I can also go like this to change my... Yes, I have a wired mouse. I can scroll my thing to change guns. That's how it is in Fortnite. Too. But I didn't know. This game is completely different than Fortnite, so... I'm going 2. I'm going 3. I don't know. I got an AK. Everybody's dead. In this game, I am the best person with an AK. No matter what game it is. Oh, I'm on the red team now? Who told me I'm on the red team now? Maybe not. Maybe I'm just... I suck at the game. It's probably just gonna stay like that, but who knows? I just get lasered. Man. Why? I don't know. I don't understand why do I... Why is it WASD now? Okay, this is really weird. Do they like switch up your... Yes! Get out of here. Come on. How does one kill you with a sniper? I see a person. What? Wait, did it just sound like my neck cracked? Alright. I'm gonna turn my volume all the way down. Because it is very loud indeed. I don't think I had computer audio off. Actually, I'm gonna turn my audio up a little bit. There you go. Just to get a feel of what the game's actually like. Oh, I forgot. Again, use my scroll. Be able to switch between things. Alright, off I go. Or I can, yeah, here. What? I shot? What? How does he hit me in one shot? Is there something like when you level up, like they give you, your gun has more power? Let's go! A suppressed pistol, man. And the thing has to like, oh, come on. The Moonlight Wisher wins again. I had, like, where's this person? Was that a... Really? Really? Okay. Listen. Oh, that I'm not a good YouTuber. But please just drop a like on the video. Okay? Never know what I'm saying. Alright, let's go. I'm a I was taken out. Because my mouse, right here, isn't moving. Thank you. FAMASs don't do that. But sure, it's a burst assault rifle. Oh, these controls are switched back. That's nice to know. Where are the red sirs? I'm detecting every person. If they're head red or not. Give me that. Oh, so you can't reload. If it's not reloading. I don't think. Oh, you have a certain amount of ammo? Oh, shoot. Oh, you have a certain amount of ammo. Well, then I'm dead. Because if I stay alive, which, I guess not. I will not stay alive. Man, come on. What? Darn it. How much does it show you? Oh, you have 100 health. Okay. I was going to say, how much? I'm getting better. Where do these people come from? That's my question of the day. Where do people come from? V is now to reload. Did I just get blasted across the room? Can somebody tell me or get that checked out? How do these controls make sense? Alright, after this video, I will definitely keep playing Arsinal. Alright. Well, anyways, guys, I'll have a little bit longer. I have a little bit longer. Come on, man. I'm just trying to have fun, because if I start live streaming one day, this is probably going to be the game that I'm going to live stream. And I want to get good at it so I'm not bored the whole fudging live stream. Alright. Man, come here. I can't do this. Alright, come here. I wanna kill some people. I wanna kill somebody so they will die. They will die to themselves without a doubt. And there's someone near me. Maybe my teammate killed him. I don't really know, and I don't really care, and I don't have eyes. Somebody. End the video off with the kill, man. End the video off. Oh, that's my friend? That's it. Well, alright. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please leave a like and subscribe to this video. Only if you want, and hit the notification bell if you like my content. Bye!